Yes, a federal judge has essentially ruled that a family is criminally trespassing inside certain portions of their own home. No, we're not talking about a judge in China or the former Soviet Union. We're talking about a federal judge in the United States, in Westchester County, New York, to be exact. You know, Westchester County, the place where Bill and Hillary Clinton live, that upscale community north of New York City.
Sounds like a fairy tale, doesn't it?
The War of the Roses, directed by Danny DeVito.
Yes, it's true. In a bizarre federal court ruling, a federal judge actually drew a line through this family's home, through their first-floor kitchen and upstairs bedrooms.
The yellow areas are mine. The red areas are hers.
This seems rational to you both?
I got more square footage.
No, this is not a sequel or updated version of the 1989 movie The War of the Roses.
It comes at you from directions you'd never expect.
The modern-day horror where a federal judge has ignored the U.S. Constitution, has slammed property rights laws, and simply drew a line through a family's home. Here's the house at 50 Shore Road. To the far right is a stone house, 42 Shore Road.
But wait! There's more! Hang on to your seat, baby! Cause this one's a screamer!
The Honorable United States District Court Judge Kathy Seibel on September 30th, 2013, ruled that she had been snookered by one of the involved attorneys. Her order still leaves intact the line through the home. There just may be a lot of snookering going on. 50 Shore Road was built about 100 years ago. 50 Shore Road is indeed very close to the stone house next door at 42 Shore Road. On the right is 42 Shore Road. The stone wall is about 70 years old. The stone wall separated both properties. The theory of adverse possession is well recognized, but the theory of adverse possession was ignored in this case. Also ignored was the doctrine of practical location. The front of 50 Shore Road has a 100-year-old brick wall. So you have the 100-year-old brick wall on one side and a 70-year-old stone wall on the other, just like neighboring properties. Stone walls designated property lines. In the back of the house, the 70-year-old stone wall extends into the water. Throughout history and before meets and bounds and surveyors, stone walls designated ownership of property in America. The laws of adverse possession and the doctrine of practical location are meaningful, except in this case, one federal judge does not agree. So the owners of 50 Shore Road are left with a line through their home. They are virtual trespassers in their own house. They are unable to make needed emergency repairs.
This house is so beautiful, and we live here.
House, car, boy, girl, kitty. The poor bastards never had a chance. Seems rational to you?
Be sure to check out Property Rights Foundation of America, prfamerica.org.